Let's solve this question together. It says 5 raised to the power x minus 4 is equal to 90. We're going to solve for the value of x in this question. Okay. Now the first thing we can do here is to say that 90 is equal to, okay, we can say 2 times 5 times 3 times 3. Okay. Now this becomes equal to 2 times 3 squared times 5. 3 squared is 9, 9 times 5 is 45, 45 times 2 is 90. Now when you have this, so when you have something like a raised to the power m minus n is equal to a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. So here, applying this law, we are going to have 5 raised to the power x divided by 5 raised to the power 4 will become equal to 90 is now this, alright? So we have 2 times 3 squared times 5. Okay? Now, let's multiply both sides by 5 raised to the power 4. So multiply this side by 5 raised to the power 4, multiply this side by 5 raised to the power 4. So that we have 5 raised to the power 4, striking 5 raised to the power 4. We have 5 raised to the power x being equal to 2 times 3 squared times, when you have something like this, use the law that states that a raised to the power m plus n is equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. Applying that law, then we have 4 plus 1, which is 5 raised to the power 5. Okay? Now, moving on from here, we can say, let's take the logarithm of both sides quickly. So, log of 5 raised to the power x is equal to log of brackets open 2 times 3 squared times 5 to the power of 5. Okay? Now, the base of this log is the base of the number carrying the x. So, we have 5 and 5. Now, when you have something like this, okay, you multiply the log with the power. So you have x multiplied by logarithm of 5 base 5 minus, when you have this, you open up and put, sorry, it's equal to rather, you open up and put plus between them. So we have 2 plus log of 3 squared in the same base 5 plus log of 5 to the power of 5 in base 5. Sweet deal. So moving on from here, we're going to have x multiplied by logarithm of 5 base 5 is 1. So we have x times 1, which is x, is equal to logarithm of 2 base 5 plus, this is 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 base 5 plus 5 multiplied by logarithm of 5 base 5. Hence our x will become equal to logarithm of 2 base 5 plus 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 base 5 plus, now logarithm of 5 base 5 is 1, so we have 1 times 5 is 5. So this becomes the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.